Hi everyone, welcome to SQL for Oracle database course. In today's lecture we will start understanding the data type. So Oracle data type is a format in which data in a column can be stored on a database. For example, if you have a number, to store numeric data with or without decimals, positive or negative numbers. If you have a column name called salary, so the data type is a number, is either be, for example, 3500, or you have a temperature. The data type for temperature is a number, minus 12.5, is for example. And also we have varchar 2 stores variable length character string. This is for text. In Oracle, when we define varchar 2, we can specify the length in either. So either byte or char. If we use the byte, this limit by number of bytes, storage size, or char limit by number of characters. So for example, varchar 20 byte and varchar 20 char. If we use 20 byte, this is for English language. If we start each letter, for example, A have 1 byte, B have 1 byte. So each letter in English language is equal exactly to 1 byte. So if you write a word with 20 letters, that means this is exactly to 20 bytes. But in Arabic and other language, maybe the first one letter maybe has more than 1 byte. So maybe 10 letters in Arabic or any other language is equal to 20 byte. But if you write varchar equal to 20 char, you will have exactly only 20 letters, no matter the languages. Only 20 letters will represent the 20 char. We also have date to store data and time, for example, year, month, day, hour, minute, or second. We have Oracle data constraint. So what is a constraint? Is a rule applied to a column to control what kind of data can be stored in it. So the constraint is to maintain data integrity. Command constraint type. If you use the constraint not null, the column cannot be empty. For example, first name, the data type is varchar 2, the length is a 20 letter, not null. So the first name cannot be null. So if you write any row with the first name is empty, you will receive an error because you use the constraint this first time cannot be null. Unique, all values must be unique. Email's address, so each person have one email address, for example. So only for each ID you will have only, for example, one email. Cannot have more than 2 emails. Primary key should be unique and not null. So employee ID, this is the primary key. You only have one employee ID within your tables. Cannot have more than employee ID, only one, only unique, and should not be empty, not null. Foreign key is the same the primary key but in another table. One will be the primary key, the other will work as foreign key. Check must meet a condition. For example, salary check, salary bigger than 0. If you need to meet a condition. Default, assign default value if none given. We can assign a default value if not given. For example, salary, number default, we put 1000. So I got SQL Developer open, and these are the employee table. This is how to create a table within the Oracle database. Create tables called employee. We have, these are the table name, employees. We have employee ID. These are the column name. Within the black, these are the column name. Employee ID, first name, last name, column number 1, column number 2, 3, 4. Beside the column name, you have to set the data type. So employee ID is the data type is number, and this number is 6 digits and 0 decimal. So only digits. Employee ID, like for example 1, 2, 3, 4. The 0, that means 0 digits, cannot accept 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. So only 6 digits. Okay. First name, varchar equal the data type is varchar. This is because the first name is for text, and equal to 20 bytes. So the capacity is 20 byte. This is the data type. The 20 is the length. You can put 30, 40, whatever you like. Only 20, that means word consists from only just the name, first name. The length is only 20. So only 20 letter. Cannot accept more than 20. Last name, the same. Varchar 25 byte. These are the length and the storage capacity. The constraint, so this is the condition, the rule that you set for your table. So this is the constraint name, employee last name. You set a rule not null. So if you insert a row without the last name, you will receive an error because it's a condition. You should have a value for the last name. Enable, that means is inactive within the Oracle database. This table is active. Same in here for email. The varchar 20 byte is the capacity. The constraint email not null enable. So the condition is supposed to be you have a value for all the emails, and enable, that means active on your Oracle database. If you have a row without the email, so you receive a error because you should this column you should have a value for each column. Okay, same in here. These are the column names, the data type, and the constraint, the condition. Constraint employee not null enable. Also we have commission by, this is number. So this is number, the salary number, 6 digits. This is 8 digits, and only after the dot you have only 2 decimal point. The first one is the digits. The length of this digit only for 6, and this you have 0 because it's ID, so you don't have any decimal value. Department ID number 04, same, only 4 digits and 0 decimal after the point. We have 2 digits and 2 decimal after the dot. So this is all you need to know about the data type, how to set your data type within your tables. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.